Just wanted to give you an idea of the things that can be done during the initiation for one specific project. Now I've decided to go with the example of a hardware store, say that they want to go online. They only have shops around the country, but they would have to have an online website, to have a website where people can just purchase the products and have it sent to them. So this is the project idea: create a website to allow customers to purchase items online. So an example of activities that could occur, and I put the risks first here. One of the executives maybe raised the idea that we are not ready for the logistics. You know, it's good to have a website that can be done quickly maybe, but we are not ready. I mean, delivering stuff to clients, it's huge. We might have to subcontract, we might have to do all this and go through all the legal stuff, and it's gonna take us too long. So after discussion, it has been agreed to remove this risk. This was just too big to deliver, so we will be doing this in another phase. We will be doing this in phase 2. Another risk that was highlighted, a bit less important, so that would be addressed by shadowing John Martin from Project Start. So John Martin is a business owner, so they will have someone to help him. So just to give you an idea of the type of risks that can be discussed during the initiation. The scope, what do we do? The high-level scope was described as this: create a website for product display only, no online ordering. That has been removed already. The high-level cost, there's been some discussion, and it was maybe originally 12 million, including the delivery and the likes, but now it's only to be able to see the products, so the cost has been reduced to $10 million. And the high-level deadline, just to do the website and everything around the website, obviously, is 6 months. The project team, we have allocated Ben as a project manager. He will create the project charter, and then Ben will get this to get signed off by the business owner and all the people involved in approvals of this project.